Hi, I'm Mark Herbert, aka FangSaber, and today I am here with...
Hi, I'm Jay, also known as Ube, and I run Board War Fursuits. And right here, we have Fang.
And today is the unboxing day, so let's get started.
Oliver, sweetheart, let's come over here. Let's sit right here.
I'm so excited. As
There's
you
your
can see,
balaclava.
yes, I love it. Because I need a new one, because mine is old. Oh, and we have the tail. Oh my gosh,
It's
that
fluffy.
is beautiful. It's very soft. I love this. Thank you so much.
I wanted to make it
I
big and
love
fluffy.
And then we also have the paws. Ooh! Oh my god. Oh,
Those are
perfect.
Those are cool.
Thank you.
Those are cool.
Oh my gosh, I love this.
You haven't even seen the head yet.
I know.
I just hope I don't cry.
Oh, it's okay if you do.
It's perfect. I love it so much. The paws are so cute.
Here we go.
Is there some... Oh, wait. We also have a brush.
A brand new brush.
Okay,
Yep.
so this is how... So how does this work?
Well, why don't you get it out and then...
I'll show you. I'll show
Yep.
you after the video. So
Okay.
your spray's in there somewhere.
Oh.
Oh my god!
There's your
Oh!
boy.
Oh my god! He's so cute! I love him!
I'm glad you do.
I'm gonna try him on.
Yeah.
Here's the strap. Oh, did something fall?
That's the spray.
Okay. Okay, so...
Oh, Mark, that is cool.
There you go.
That is cool.
I love him! Oh my god!
Put your paws on.
Okay.
Here's this one.
That is cool.
And then another one.
Wow.
The only thing we have to adjust is the thing. The chin.
Yeah, I might have to put some more foam in there.
Yeah.
I think I have a bigger head than you do.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yay!
We'll have to do a photo shoot.
Yeah.
It looks so good all together. I haven't put it all on there.
Oh my god! This is my dream come true. So thank you, Jay, and thank you everyone for watching. See you until the next video. Bye!